Hello and welcome to our presentation about the Zebra LS2208 scanner. The LS2208 is part of a comprehensive range of barcode scanners from Zebra. However you need to scan, Zebra has the scanner that works the way you need it. The design and construction of Zebra barcode scanners is based on a wealth of industry knowledge, consumer insight and retail mobile technology expertise. All are built to work speedily and accurately so you get the job done faster with less risk of errors. That's what's made us a market-leading supplier of scanners worldwide. Who'd have thought so much depended on beams of light? It is very rare today to come across a shop that does not use a barcode scanner. Customer satisfaction, brand loyalty, efficient inventory management, it all flows from the speed and accuracy of your scanners and the data they gather. With more than 8 million LS2208 sold, this scanner is working hard for retailers around the world. A cost-effective, reliable scanner that reads 1D printed barcodes quickly and efficiently. You can see on this slide a list of key features of this product, but what does this mean for you? It's a proven track record with over 8 million sold across the globe. It is designed to minimize user fatigue and maximize productivity. With Zebra comes unmatched reliability, which reduces downtime. The scanner is designed to resist scratches, so performance never degrades, and is built to be flexible with the optional IntelliStand, enabling presentation scanning, which in turn allows workers to automatically switch between hands-free and handheld modes in the time it takes to drop the LS2208 into the stand. This scanner is ideal for point of sale, in-store inventory, loyalty processing, paper coupon redemption, and specialty retail that has high-density barcodes. In addition, the LS2208 can be set up very easily using our patented configuration wizard, 123scan. This is a piece of free Windows-based software that allows you to configure your scanners and optimize their performance in a quick and easy manner. Not just this, but it also simplifies your firmware upgrade process. You can view the scan data as it is formatted and sent to the host. You can access release notes and new firmware features, and you can view asset tracking information. To find out more about the LS2208, please go to www.zebra.com/LS2208 and contact us for more information. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation, and don't forget, however you scan, Zebra has the scanner for you.